The jump in publicly reported share trading volumes for a lot of companies, including Berkshire Hathaway, was driven by the rise in fractional trading and rules from FINRA, Wall Street's self-regulatory body that directs brokers to round those fractional stock trades up to a single share. That rounding up meant that the boom in fractional share trading, in which a customer can buy or sell a sliver of a single stock, has inflated reported trading volumes across the US stock market. It has had a particularly outsized effect on Berkshire Hathaway Class A common stock, which is thinly traded and has commanded a price of more than $500,000 a share this year, 2022. So, three academics have offered a startling answer. Trading volumes in the most expensive stock in the US were and continue to be artificially inflated by the way brokers such as Robinhood and Drive Wealth report trading volumes for these fractional shares. In a new research paper, these academics from the University of California, Berkeley, Columbia University, and Cornell University said they had uncovered what they described as phantom non-existent trading. So according to Investopedia, they described phantom trading or phantom stock plans as something that mocks an actual stock, but it's not the real stock. So it tracks the price of that stock. So to some extent, that is what some of these fractional shares are. They're not exactly real, but they're not exactly the real thing, but they track the price of the real thing itself. So and also they trade at a fraction to that price, because that is the key thing. The unique selling point of it all is the fractional price. So the FINRA reporting rule for fractional trading has created significant distortions that likely shaped the trading behavior of at least some market participants, according to these professors, whose names are Robert Bartlett, Justin McCrary, and Maureen O'Hara. So the jump in trading volumes in Berkshire Hathaway's stock first appeared in February of 2021, when Robinhood began reporting the transactions, their study found. While the brokerage, which has helped popularize fractional trading, had offered trading in less than one share increment since 2019, it did not initially report the trades to the FINRA database that records off-exchange transactions. The company was later informed by FINRA that it should report those trades, and began doing so at the start of 2021. In October of 2021, Drive Wealth, which processes stock trades for digital banking startups Revolut and Cash App, also began reporting fractional share trades in Berkshire Hathaway to the FINRA database. Their study also found. These professors said they were able to isolate reported trades from Robinhood and Drive Wealth based on the slight time delays it takes each to publish buy and sell orders. Daily volume in the Class A stock averaged about 357 shares a day in the 2 years before Robinhood began reporting fractional transactions. Since then, activity appears to be more than 5 times that level, with almost 1,900 shares changing hands a day, according to Bloomberg. The uptick in volumes created confusion in the market, given Berkshire's founder and CEO Warren Buffett himself had previously lamented how hard it was to find willing sellers of the company's Class A stock for its equity repurchase program. So FINRA has now indicated that they are actively working on the issue and is engaged in ongoing discussions with firms and regulators. So the current trade reporting system, other than the consolidated audit trail, do not support the entry of a fractional share quantity. So see what you make of all of these things concerning phantom stocks or fractional shares of a lot of the most expensive stocks, and a lot of really popular stocks like Snap, or maybe not Snap. Well, indeed it could include indeed also Snap. but the volume for the trading volume for the stock was in the hundreds of millions. Who knows? If it's a stock that is traded fractionally, then there's a good chance this may be a factor in the sort of volumes we saw for the stock. But I'm not exactly sure if Snap is one of such stocks, but I know some of the most expensive blue chip stocks, the ones you can find on the Dow Jones and indeed on the Nasdaq, do trade fractionally. So see what you make of all of these things, and just know what's going on out there. And thank you very much for watching this video.